spend half a year preparing a Hummer H2. I can only say that it will never be fixed again, generally speaking. But it's as bad as this one. The chassis sees serious rust stone. Or treat the Hummer like bullshit? And that's a lot of the Hummer credit. The show of the show. That's a lot. The H2 was refurbished to look like a new car. That's all there is to it. Welders and carpenters go into battle. It is bound to return the owner a quasi-new car. Decomposition type. Only he knows. Let me alone. The thread is messy like a spider's web. The Hummer has been dismantled like this. The upper part of Group B and Group C is light gray-white fur. Is this plastic part? Decomposition engine. Draining that loud yard. Baby don't call no quarter T. Talking for Sunday, dear Quila, that I got someone it. Old American cars are not just big cars. At first glance, it feels like a muscular man. It's the size of 2 pistons and a big cylinder. Everything is big. There is only one purpose to make his power torque more. This engine is mainly to repair the abnormal sound of the engine. Because the cylinder is pulled, the cylinder is still missing and shaking. Hitakawa. Call the big beam of Sichuan first. Then sandblasted. Finally, throw it into the electric swimming pool for electrophoresis process. Well, there are several steps before electrophoresis. You have to wake up twice after electrophoresis. And put it in the oversized oven. The girder of the electrophoresis pill is on the shelves. Other chassis keys are also rust-proof. I want to make a tool for him in the liner of the big beam. The girder of a hairy car is done. Assembly can be arranged soon. anti-rust paint, the top coat is now ready. Accessories are neatly arranged. Grip on the trees of the path for a mistake. Watching the horse's engine assembly process is a bit burnt. Of the tiger. Stack the arms till we trade to the street for the kill, with the skill to survive. How I know. Engine speed limit rearranged to eliminate safety exits. All gins are high temperature aging. To the test of our rival, and all the rest of survival's message. And it's walking alone with ease. Do a simple cleaning of the body and appearance keys first. In the arrangement of German rain paint, body fits a lot. Do everything to me. That's the appearance. See assembly. I want to hold them like they do. And take this, please. I'll get him hot. Show him what I got. The floor is laid in the car. I'll get him high, show him what I got. The aviation roll was retained at the request of the owner, because it will end. Just to hug you, because I'm bluffing with my muffin. Just like... After the final assembly is completed, the whole car is polished first. In the whole car, surprise beauty. now look into your eye. This Hummer took 6 months to build. I made a river, I'm a fool.